Today I'm gonna explain this. This is a place named Heda Khan, and this is located, I think, 3 kilometers far from Rani Khet. And Rani Khet is one of the famous place of Uttarakhand. You can also search it in Google bar. So now this is the perfect view of this place. You can see this is exactly the view that you can feel here. If you come here, you will feel definitely. And now one of the famous thing of this place is that you can see a lot of mountains, as it is written, the like a group of mountain, I think here Pancholi 6,904 meter, and Nanga Laphu now 6,410 meter, and Raja Mabha 6,537, and Danghal 6,050, Lapadura 5,913, and Nanda Kot 6,861. Like if you are not able to watch it now because of I think there is weather is not clear. If you come in the
during winter
during winter, you will definitely able to see the whole picture of this from this place. And there is a Nanda Kot 6,861, and the this is name of Changuch 6,322 meter, and the Trails Pass 5,000, and Nanda Devi. Yeah, this is the one of the famous like mountain of the Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi. You can see here, this is written 7,434 meters. From this place, if you zoom with a telescope, like you will able to watch this mountain. Like you can see, you can feel it definitely a little, but the glance of that mountain is coming, but that is not exactly. You will not.
it is the top point of Nanda Devi.
Yeah, this is the top point of Nanda Devi. Yeah, this is
basically the starting.
This is basically the starting, and the actual the peak of that mountain is this. You will found from this direction. They are not able to show you because of weather conditions is not clear here. And the main Koli, this is you can see, this is written here, and from this direction you will feel that mountain, but here is not clear picture is coming now. And Mri Ghuni 6,800, and Trishul 7,000, and Nanda Ghonti 6,300, and Hathi Parbat 6,727, and Gori Parvat, and Manna, and then Kamit. From this direction you will feel the Kamit. You will actually see the Kamit Parvat, but because of before it was not happen here like this kind of monument, but now it's happy. So it was all from this place. And there is a temple famous, known for ancient history also, because Britishers used to be here and they used to rule this place. And this is very famous because of it. I think this payment is built by Britishers, no?
Yes.
Yeah, this is built by it was built by Britishers. Very old temple it is, I think. And so that this is all about this place. And but there is one thing is more famous for this place, is that you will see the house and the buildings of this place is made up of woods. I mean wood, yeah, literally. This is very old, like 500 and 600 year old houses are still exist in this place. But there are dangerous a lot. But if you come and if you see, you will feel definitely. No, there is a description. Sri 1008 हेड़ा खान वाले बाबा जी शिव स्वरूप हैं, ऐसा जनता का मानना है। स्वामी परमहंस योगानंद की आत्मकथा के अनुसार भी बाबा शिव स्वरूप हैं, तथा सृष्टि की रचना से ही वह समय समय पर अवतरित होते रहते हैं। हेड़ा खान वाले बाबा का पिछला अवतार 8 to 20 वर्ष के योगी के स्वरूप में सन 1917 में प्राचीन कैलाश पर्वत की तलहट्टी ग्राम हेड़ा खान की पवित्र गुफा में हुआ। उन्होंने कभी किसी गर्भ से जन्म नहीं लिया, बल्कि यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड उनका अवतार हुआ था। 14 फरवरी 1984 को बाबा जी समाधित्व हो गए। बाबा जी ने चिलिया नौला मंदिर का निर्माण 1976 से शुरू किया, तथा 15 जून 1883 को श्री CPN सिंह तत्कालीन राज्यपाल उत्तर प्रदेश के कर कमलों द्वारा इनका उद्घाटन किया गया। मंदिर के मुख्य मूर्ति श्री 1008 खेड़ा खान वाले बाबा के पूर्व स्वरूप की है, जो सन 1922 में समाधित हुए। बाबा जी का संदेश सत्य सरल। ये श्री श्री 1008 मीन्स आप उनके नाम से पहले इतने बार श्री बोल रहे हो, इसका मतलब ये होता है। बाकी बाबा